Ella and I are so happy you decided to come on another adventure with us. Did you know that you are one of a kind? There is no one in the world that's like you. Matter of fact, if you take a look at your fingers, especially your fingerprint, then you will know that you are uniquely made. Everybody's fingerprint is different, but we're going to get into that in today's video. So when it comes to fingerprints, they are tiny ridges on your hands, and it helps you to grip your pencil, it helps you to grip your toys, or even the Bible. Scientists call these friction ridges, but it's also a reminder that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. So now let's do a fun experiment to really look at our fingerprints like mini scientists or detectives. Let's go.
Hear he. I hope you're having fun so far. Be sure to check out my website to look at all my books and adventures. Now let's get to this adventure. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and some tape. That's about it for this adventure. Ready? Let's get started. So first, what you see me doing, I am making a big circle, just like this. And now Miss Ashley's going to take over.
Isn't that so awesome? That's just a reminder that God's signature is on you. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. And He has made you so unique on the inside and on the outside. And our fingerprints are a perfect reminder of His love. So friends, today we learned that no one has your fingerprints. So that means no one can be you. So let's continue to share that love with everybody else and remind them that they are special too. And continue to share God's love and do good with our hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more faith-filled fun science activities. I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.